We have water! Finally got it installed with the help of a good friend the other day. Ran the pipe in the trench and hooked it all up. It's a funny thing, I actually thought that the hardest part of this whole thing would be hooking the pipe up and connecting to the supply line and doing all that plumbing, and that was done within a matter of minutes. I think all told maybe 45 minutes max from the time I shut the water off to cutting the pipe and putting the ends on and screwing it all together. So super excited to have this water out here by the animals. It's not as close as I had hoped it would be, but this will fit future plans for the homestead. We have plans to build a legitimate barn, a hay shed, things like that, and they'll fit in this area of the yard, and this will kind of be central to all of that. Things are going to move around. We're trying to figure this all out. So the only permanent structure that we've built out here is this pig pen behind me, which I've got to get some work done to it. So super excited. This will be great it'll help the kids. It'll just be more convenient for everybody. It's always good when a project comes to fruition. Had some fun, borrowed a tractor from a neighbor farm, and a legit farmer. And man, I think it was so much fun driving that tractor. I think that my friend that helped me said it best. He said I was letting him sit in the tractor for a second, and he said, and I agree with him, this is why farmers really farm, is they use heavy equipment. It's just so fun, at least for me, to use it. So got to use it to bury the line, level out this drive as best I could with it. It was so much fun, so much faster than digging, of course. And one day I hope I can have a tractor of my own. That's on my list of things to acquire. Anyway, I'm gonna go inside. I've been promising the kids that I would help them build a little birdhouse. Little kit we found on Amazon. We'll leave a link in the description below. Ready to build a birdhouse?
Yeah!
Are you done with your schoolwork?
No, I'm almost done though. I've got 3 questions left.
Hurry! We need tools first.
Okay, where does it say? Tension. I can't read that.
It says we need a screwdriver, sandpaper, glue, and a drill.
Glue and a drill.
So those are all out in the garage. We'll use wood glue.
Okay.
Not Elmer's. Or glue sticks.
Glue
sticks.
This is what we're building.
Dun dun dun. Hey, Sam's not old enough. 8 and up. He's not 8.
He's close enough.
Yeah. I said he's gonna have to wait a month and 2 days before we can build this. And I'm saying We can't wait. We're not gonna wait a month or 2 days.
Yeah, fine. He's old enough.
Let's see what we got, and then we'll go out and get the
Nails.
piece of rope,
Nails.
bunch of screws, and a hinge. No nails. They're all screws.
Nails. Don't
So
screw
we're
up.
gonna need a teeny tiny screwdriver and
go get
a
the
regular
ones.
screwdriver.
No,
We'll
because
go out in the
that's
garage. I've got all the tools out there. So
I'll do the.
Can I sort them by bricks? Like put these next to them.
that's fine.
Those screws.
Those glass pieces. This is probably
like windows?
the bottom.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it's the bottom.
Oh look, they gave us sandpaper. So we don't need to get sandpaper.
Oh. I wish they gave us everything else.
And there's wonderful instructions. So, and they're in like 5 different languages.
Okay.
Oh, joy.
Let's do English. How's that? How about Japanese? Oh,
Yeah, let's try Japanese.
That's not a real word.
And let's go find a place to hang it out front.
Front? Okay.
But let's get our shoes on.
Okay.
Right over here. Look.
Over there.
Yeah, look.
Can you reach?
It's cold out.
It is cold out here, Sarah. Okay, can you reach it? Good job. Yay!
It looks cool.
That looks so fun.
Hopefully it attracts some
Birds.
birds.
What a fun little kit. We will link to, we'll give you a link to the Amazon store in the description if you guys want to build one of your own. Thanks for coming along today with us on this crazy adventure that we like to call homesteading. Give us a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully we will see you guys tomorrow.